Very good morning. We are doing pair of linear equation two variables. The total concept of linear equation two variables is over. After that, in the previous class, I started to explain the exercise problems. Already I completed sample problems exercise 1, 4.1 and 4.2. I explained. Today, I will explain exercise 4.3, which is related to reducible equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Okay, word problems. It is related to exercise 4.3. I solve some problems. Okay, I will explain. Just you will see exercise 4.3 problems. Exercise 4.3 related problems. Kavita, one example problem will explain in textbook. Kavita thought of constructing two more. Page number 94, exercise example 13 problem. Fourth chapter, chapter 4, 4.3. Example. This is example 13 problem. Kavita thought of constructing two more rooms in her house. Kavita thought of constructing two more rooms in the house. She is having her own house, Kavita. She wants to extend that. She wants to construct more two rooms in her house. So then she required about a labor. Without labor, she cannot start working that. So she came to know that 6 men and 8 women could finish the work in 14 days. She came to know that 6 men and 8 women would finish the work in 14 days, but she wished to complete the work in only 10 days. When she inquired, she was told that 8 men and 12 women could finish the work in 10 days. So find out how much time would be taken to finish the work if the one man worked alone. So these word problems you have to reduce in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Taking this information, you should formulate the pair of linear equations. Okay. So what are the she took the help of the labor. The labor are women and men. How many men? How many women? How much work do they do? Okay. So the time taken by one man. The time taken by one man to finish the work x days in 1 day equal to 1 by x. The time taken by one woman to finish the work is y days in 1 day equal to 1 by y. Like that you assume that. Let the time taken by one man to finish the work is equal to how many days? X days. To complete the work, the time taken by one man to finish the work is X days. In 1 day, how much? 1 day find out. 1 day means 1 by X. The one man can do in 1 day. So how much quantity of work is done in 1 day? 1 by X. 1 by X. Work done by one man in 1 day. In 1 day means 1 by X. The man complete the work in 3 days, in 1 day equal to 1 by 3. If the man complete the work in 4 days, he complete the work in 1 day equal to 1 by 4. The man to complete the work, he takes the time 5 days. In 1 day equal to 1 by 5. The work done by one man in 1 day equal to 1 by x. Similarly, let the time taken by one woman to finish the work equal to y days. Work done by one woman in 1 day. equal to 1 by 1. Okay, now she came to know that 6 men and 8 women. 6 men and 8 women could finish the work. 6 men and 8 women. 6 men. Now 8 men, 12 women can finish the work in 10 days. She inquired that, she was told that 8 men and 12 women could finish the work in 10 days. She came to know that 6 men and 8 women could finish the work in 14 days. 14 days. Okay. These you formulate in a pair of linear equations. Now, you look into the question, you come to know that 6 men and 8 women could finish the work in 14 days. 6 men. 6 men and 8 women can finish the work in 14 days. 6 men. In one day, how much? 6 men in one day. 6 men in one day. 1 man can do the work done by 1 man. The work done by 1 man in one day is 1 by x. 6 men is 6 into 1 by x. Together, plus 8 women. The woman can complete the work in 5 days. In one day equal to 1 by y. How many women? 8 women. 8 into 1 by y. That equal to how many days? 14 days. 14 days. So, this is 6 into 1 by x into 8 into 1 by y equal to 14. This one equation. Next, she came to know that she inquired that 8 men and 8 women, 8 men and 12 women, 8 men and 12 women, 12 women can finish the work, in 10 days. In 10 days. Now, 8 men and 12 men can finish the work how many days? 10 days. 8 men. The work done by 1 man in 1 day equal to how much? 1 by x. 8 men is 8 into 1 by x. Plus 1 woman can do in 1 day equal to how much? 1 by y. 12 women, 12 into 1 by y. 12 into 1 by y. That is equal to 10 days. This is the second equation. This is second equation. Okay. Now, this formula reducible into linear pair of linear equations. They are not in the standard form. They are not in the ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here, first what we do here, let the time taken by 1 man to finish the work is x days. The work done by 1 man in 1 day equal to 1 by x. The time taken by 1 woman to finish the work is y days. 1 woman y days. The work done by in 1 day. The work done by woman in 1 day equal to 1 by y. 6 men and 8 men to finish the work in 14 days. 6 men. 6 men. 1 woman, how much work is done in 1 day? 1 by x. 6 men, 6 into 1 by x. How many? 1 woman can do work in 1 day equal to 1 by y. 8 women, 8 into 1 by y equal to 14. This is first equation. Similarly, 8 men and 12 women can finish the work in 10 days. 8 men. 1 man can do in 1 day equal to 1 by x. 8 men equal to 8 into 1 by x. 1 woman can do finish the work in 1 day equal to 1 by y. 12 women equal to 12 into 1 by y equal to 10. This is second equation. Now let us put 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y equal to b in above two equations. Now you get newly formed equations. You will get new equations now. When you put 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y equal to b, above two equations, you will get more two new equations. That is 6 into 1 by x. 6 into 1 by x means what did I say? 1 by x is equal to a plus 8 into 1 by y means what? B. That is equal to 14. This is third equation. Now 8 into 1 by x. 1 by x means a plus 1 by y means b. 12b is equal to how much? 10. This is the fourth equation. Solve these third and fourth equations. We have three methods. Graphical you can solve, and substitution method you can solve, or elimination method. Generally we adopt the elimination method. You can do by any method. You can solve the equation by any method. So you, according to your convenience, you can adopt any method. Okay. Now I adopt the elimination method. Elimination method means you have to make the coefficients equal. 6 is here, a coefficient here, 8. They are different coefficients. Make them equal. So third equation multiply by fourth equation a coefficient 8. 8 6 are 48a. 8 8 are 64b is equal 8 14 are 112. 8 14 are. Now fourth equation multiply by third equation a coefficient 6. 6 8 are 48a. 6 12 are 72b. 6 10 are 60. Now plus 48a plus 48a. Not getting cancelled. Change the signs. Minus, minus, minus. Plus 48a minus 48a 0. Minus 72b plus 64b minus 8b. Is equal minus plus 112 minus 60. Yes. minus 60. 2, 7 minus 6, 5, 52. Here like this. Otherwise children, here one small error here. Put 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by equal to y. Substituting, put 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y equal to b in above two equations. So I take this equation, second equation first I write 8a, 12b. Here 6 men and 8 women can finish the work in 14 days. In 1 day, 1 day means 1 by 14 item here. 1 day, this is 1 day. 6 men can do in 1 day equal to 6 into 1 by x. 8 women can do 1 day equal to 8 into 1 by y. This is also 1 by 14. 1 by 14. Here also 8 men and 12 women can finish the work in 10 days. 8 men in 1 day equal to 8 1 by x. 12 women can do in 1 day equal to 8 1 by y. That is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 day now. In 1 day we are finding 1 by 10. Now put n by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b in above equations. 6 into 1 by x. 6a 8b is equal 1 by 14. This is third equation. Next 8a plus 12b is equal 1 by 10. This is fourth equation. Now what you have to do? Solve it. Third equation multiplied by fourth equation a quotient. 8 6 are 48a, 8 8 are 64b, 8 into 8 by 14. Next, fourth equation multiplied by first third equation a quotient 6, 6 8 are 48, 6 2 are 72, 6 by 10. 6 into 1 by 10, 6 by 10. Now change the signs. Minus, 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 cancel. Minus 8b is equal 84 minus 6 by 10. 8b by 14 minus 6 by 10, simplify it. 70 LCM. 14 70, 5 times, 5 8 40. 10 in 70, 7 times, 7 6 42. How much? Minus 2 by 70. What is the answer? Minus 2 by 70. Minus 8b equal to minus 2 by 70. Now, find out b value. Minus minus cancel, get cancel faster. b is equal 2 by 70 by 8. 2 for the 8. b is equal 1 by 280. So substitute this. Substituting b in third. Third equation is 6a plus 8b equal to 1 by 14. 6a plus 8 into b. b is 1 by 280 is equal to 1 by 14. 4 2s are 4 70s are 2 1s are 235. 6a plus 1 by 35 is equal to 1 by 40. 6a is equal to 1 by 40 minus 1 by 35. So here I do it. A is equal to 1 by 35. 6a is equal to, take LCM, 35 14. 7 2s are 7 5s are 14 35 LCM. 7 2s are 7 5s are 70 LCM. 14 70 5 times. 35 and 70 2 times. 6a is equal to 5 minus 2 3 by 70. A is equal to 3 by 70 by 6. 3 1 3 2 that is 1 by 140. So a is equal to 1 by 140. B is equal to how much? 1 by 280. These you change into a is equal to how much? A is equal to 1 by 140. What is a? A means 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 140. Reverse the fractions. X is equal to what? 140. How many women? X means what? To finish the work X days. The woman can complete the work in 140 days. Next, B is equal to how much? 1 by 280. B means what? 1 by y is equal to 1 by 280. Reverse the fractions. Y is equal to 280. 280 days, 140 days. This is the problem. Okay. So, one man can finish the work. One man can finish the work 140 days and one woman 280 days. 280 days. Alone they can do it. This is the solving the problem, children. I hope you clearly understood, and also I hope that you are enjoying watching this video. Okay. I'll go for next problem. This such problems in 4.3 are there. Such models in exercise 4.3, second bit, there are 3 bits are there. You can complete it. So one more problem I'll explain in exercise 4.3. So you might have copied this. I'll go for next problem, children. Okay. Solve exercise 4.3, 4th bit, 7th bit, 7th bit. Can solve this? 10 by, yes, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 1. So reducible into linear pair of equations. So this can be written as, you know that 10 by x plus y means 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y means 2 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 by x plus y means 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y means 5 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 4. Now let 1 by x plus y equal to b a. 1 by x minus y equal to b. So b is substituting this. 10 1 by x plus y means a. 10 a plus 2 1 by x minus y means b is equal to 4. Okay. Now 15, this is equation. 10a plus 2b equal to 4. Next 15a minus 5 1 by x minus b is equal to 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. This is the first equation. This is second equation. Do by elimination method. First equation multiplied by 15. They are not same. The coefficients are not same. Just I am making the coefficients equal. So first equation multiplied by second equation a coefficient 15. 15 10 150 a. 15 2 30b. 15 4 60. This is the third equation. Now second equation multiplied by first equation a coefficient 10. 10 into 15 150a. 10 5 are 50b. 10 into minus 2 minus 20. This is the fourth equation. This plus 150 plus 150. So they are having the same coefficient, but they are not different signs. They are same signs. So to get cancelled, we should have the different signs. This is plus. Change the signs. It becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. Plus 150a minus 150a 0. 150 minus 150 0. Plus 30b plus 50b 80b is equal plus 60 plus 20 plus 80. B is equal 80 by 80. 81 by 80. So we got b value. Now to get the a value, substitute b value either third equation or fourth equation. Substituting b is equal to 1 in third. Remember this. You can substitute either 3 or fourth equation. So third equation is what? 150a. These equations, original equations. Always you substitute in the original equations. Substitute in the original equations. Substitute in the original equations. Original equations are what? 1 and 2. What we got here? B value got. So this B value substitute in the either first or second. Either first or second. So 10a plus 2b equal to 4. 10a plus 2 into b value how much got? 1. b equal to 1 is equal to 4. 10a 2 under 2 equal to 4. 10a is equal plus 2 shift right side, it becomes minus 2. 10a is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. A is equal to 2 by 10. 2 under 2 by 1 by 5. A equal to 1 by 5. A equal to 1 by 5. So, the equations are in the variables x and y. You need to find out the x and y values. So, A is equal to how much got here? A equal to 1 by 5. What is A? A is what? 1 by x plus y. 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. Reverse the equations. Reverse the fraction. X plus y by 1 is equal to 5 by 1. This is x plus y equal to 5. This is newly formed equation. You name it as fifth equation. Now, here b is equal to how much class? B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. What is b here? 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1. Reverse the fractions. X minus y equal to 1. This is the sixth equation. By solving fifth and sixth equations. Fifth equation is what? X plus y equal to 5. Sixth equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So, plus x, now getting cancelled, plus y minus y cancel, 0. X plus x, 2x. 5 plus 1, 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 you got. Substituting x is equal to 3, either 5th or 6th in fifth equation. Fifth equation is what? X plus y is equal to 5. So x value 3, y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 plus 3 shift right side minus 3, y is equal to how much? 2. So therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So this is way of solving the problem. Nothing is there. These are the given equations. 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. You should reducible into linear pair of equations. They are not in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You need to convert them into those forms. Now, 10 by x plus y can written as 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y can written as 2 into 1 by x minus y equal to 4. So, 15 by x plus y can written as 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y can written as 5 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 4. Now, let 1 by x plus y is a, 1 by x minus y is b. Substitute in that. So, 10a plus 2b equal to 4, 15a minus 5b equal to 4. Okay, 5b equal to minus 2. 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. Now, you should solve these equations 1 and 2, solve it. These solve 1 and 2 equations, the coefficients are not same. You should make the coefficients equal. First equation multiplied by 15 and second equation multiplied by 10, like that you got it. Now get done, b value got here. Then you will found the third and fourth limit. Okay, b value got. This b value substitute in either 3 or 4, you will get a value. So a equal to 1 by 5. So what is a? A is what? 1 by x plus y. So 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5. A means 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5. Reverse the fractions. 1 by x plus y reverse is x plus y by 1. 1 by 5 reverse is 5 by 1. X plus y equal to 5. This is a fifth equation. Similarly, b is equal to 1. B means what? 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. 1 by 1. Reverse the fractions. X minus y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. This is sixth equation. Solve fifth and sixth equations. Like this, you will get it. Plus y minus y get cancelled. X plus x 2x is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 6. X is equal to 6 by 2 3. X value got y value. This x is equal to 3 substitute either 5th or 6th. So like that we got the y value. This is way of solving the problems. So such problems many are there in exercise 4.3. I hope you clearly understood children. Okay. Now for practice purpose you complete whatever problems I speak in 4.3. Those all try to complete it. Most important exercise is from this exercise in board examination will come for 4 marks one question and 2 marks one question. Okay. So I hope you clearly understood. Thank you children.